Ooh. Walk and talk. It's nice. So I haven't done one of these for a little while, and I'm just going to get my hair cut. Even though I'm growing it, it still needs a cut every now and again. So I just wanted to give you kind of an update what's going on in my life. Don't know whether you find it interesting or useful or not, but somebody messaged me saying you're not done a walk and talk for a while, so I thought I'd tell you what's going on. I've got to pick up a parcel. I'm going to go have my wig chopped. I'm trying to use as much time every week exercising as I can. As you know, I'm on a bit of a health journey. No booze now for, I don't know, 3 months. Might be 4. Not keeping tabs really, just all I know is I feel a lot better. Anyway, as far as the business is concerned, I don't want to just talk about eBay Live, but it is becoming a huge important part of our business. We did another eBay Live last night. We're doing 2 auctions per week at the moment, and all I'm going to say is the revenue's great, it's good. It's not all profit, as you know, but it's adding to our business massively, and the shows are busy, they're very popular. I'm enjoying it. I'm waiting for something bad to happen, to be honest with you. Feels too good to be true sometimes. Some of the prices I'm getting are unbelievable, and then some items you don't sell for much money, so you take the rough with the smooth, and I think the people who are going to survive and do the best on there are just the ones who can fight for the longest. I'm hoping that will be me. What else is going on? Small little things really, but they all kind of add up to make your business a bit better. So me and Jamie were looking at the cabin, and we just kind of figured out it doesn't work that well. The flow in there isn't the best. As nice as it is to work together, we need it to be as profitable as we can. We need the space to be efficient, I think is the best word to put it. Sometimes when you're working in that little tiny space, you're in each other's way, and you're gonna have to like reach across each other to get things, which is really annoying. And it just doesn't really work the best. It's okay working with Jay because he's like one of my oldest friends, so we just tell each other to go out of the way and F off and stuff like that. But if it was somebody else, you know, it wouldn't be suitable. I'm lucky it's Jay. Productivity has massively increased. We're listing more, selling more, I suppose making more money as well, which all basically helps. One thing I will say is the sales have dropped down on the core store. Now this is apparently quite common with everybody when they become eBay Livers. I do think my productivity listings has taken a bit of a hit because of a few things, but we've got the stock now to do some huge things this month. We're still targeting ourselves on £18,000 worth of new listings every single month, which probably sounds insane, but the way I kind of look at the business is you've got to list more than you want to make. We want to make £500 per day in gross sales, which is 182 per year. That's my target as a online seller, and I don't care where that comes from. Depop, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, everywhere. That's just basically my target. The shop is a totally different business, and the eBay Live is a totally different business that we're treating. But core store is 182, £500 per day. That's my target. And as for the space itself, the cabin, so I've got rid of the big blue low rail that held a lot of stock. I was amazed at how many items it held, and we've replaced it exactly how I used to have the cabin when I first had it built. which was with double rails, a 5 foot and a 6 foot, and then on the other side a 5 foot and a 6 foot. Anyway, you'll see the video. It's changed round, and although it's incredibly tight up that area, it does work better. The way I kind of look at that little area is, it's just a stock space. It's for me to go and pick an item, list it and put it back, or Jamie too. So it doesn't need easy, loads of access. It just needs to be stored efficiently in a dry, safe place. So that's what we've done. We've compressed it all. We can definitely fit more stock there. Anticipate maybe another 500 items, which is unbelievable. The only thing I've got to do is, I've got these razor bars and I've got a metal cutter, and I've probably got another 6 or 7 inches to play with in height. There's no need to do this, but if I do it, it will give me easier access to the bottom rail. I hope that's easy to understand without visuals. But if you raise the top rail, the bottom rail will have a bit more space. Yeah, so on the whole today, Jamie's coming to work in a minute after I've picked up this parcel and had my wig chopped. And the day will be a good tidy up. We'll start with a good tidy up. Well, we've got 75 parcels to pack from eBay Live last night. We've got about 20 standard core items to pack, which is actually 2 days, not one, across all platforms. And then we'll give the place a serious tidy up. The SKU system we've compressed, as in the numerical SKU system for jeans and t-shirts and stuff. And there's some space, which leaves me to believe we can comfortably list about another 300 pairs of jeans, which, although is low margin, we're buying for 5 and selling for an average of 27 across all platforms. They do sell a lot, sometimes 20, 30, 40 pairs a week. So don't just aim for the big stuff. Nobody misses 25 quid from their bank account, whereas people will be thinking long and hard before spending 400, 500 quid on a rare Barber jacket. So that's something we've been doing as well. That box system has got a bit more space now. We can add to that. We've done a compression the other day, and I think we went down from something like 22 boxes right down to 15. So we've got 7 boxes spare, and each box tends to hold about 30 items. So that just shows you how many items we've sold in the space of 2 weeks. What else have I got to tell you? I suppose that's it really. We are, because the weather's good, we are well and truly using the outdoor space, the garden, as an extra room for my business. Very lucky that the weather's good right now and I've got that big space. It means we can kind of like pull things out and put things in and make that tiny workspace easier to use. I'm not saying we're going to be there forever. We might end up having to get a warehouse again, especially with my plans for wholesale. But the main thing is I'm enjoying it. I suppose that's the most important thing. Still haven't got a holiday booked. I'm looking at doing something for Eloise for a birthday. Not really spent any time looking yet, but I might get my beard done. But yeah, at some point I need to look at holidays. It's nice to have something to look forward to, and without a holiday I feel like it's all kind of for nothing. But yeah, that's me really. I haven't really got much more to tell you. It's all quite exciting, but at the same time very much the same as normal. You just carry on. But basically here now at the barbers, and they all think I'm crazy for having a YouTube channel anyway, so I don't want to walk around and talk like this. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.